Hyperlocal PPC campaigns, and why your company needs one. The most forward-thinking companies in all industries are getting into hyperlocal PPC and SEO campaigns. That's because some of the newest search engine algorithms and digital marketing trends support the idea that hyperlocal strategy is going to get results. The hyperlocal marketing strategy replaces a broader-based traditional pattern of marketing to a wider geographic area. Now companies are finding that they are getting a lot more juice out of campaigns that focus on the people in their immediate surroundings. That's partly due to the way that people tend to search now, increasingly, using their phones with a hands-free search, looking for businesses that are right around them. Business Near Me B2B and B2C hyperlocal campaigns. For nearly all types of businesses, a better hyperlocal PPC campaign can target people who live near a business, or people who are traveling near that business at a given time, or people in other location looking for a business in one particular location. There's sort of a correlation to other technologies that track consumers, where beacons may latch onto smartphones in proximity in order to push outbound messaging. This is different, though, in that the hyperlocal PPC marketing is responding to a demand that's coming from these nearby smartphone holders. To that end, marketers use specific geolocation metrics like city, zip code, municipality, address, radius from an address, and Nielsen DMA. Using all of these locational markers and guidelines, businesses specifically reach out to customers who are looking for business results in that local area. They get seen through the process of adding more hyperlocal information into those relevant technologies so that people who are searching can find them. Rich snippets and features, and ROI. With Google's new ad formats and changes in web search algorithms, hyperlocal is more important now than ever. Another major component is how people search by voice on their smartphones, as mentioned, or pull up Google pages that show them the most relevant businesses in a small radius from where they are. When people look things up, companies want to be there. In this sense, it's key to get your business information in front of these people, whether it's through rich snippets and extensions, or a Google My Business registration, or anything that makes your business visible in those pre-formatted ways. Some tips. What does your company need to stand out? It's especially important to include a phone number in hyperlocal PPC campaigns. Companies should also do their market research and know their audiences, not just where their potential customers are, but what they are searching for, and in what context. Web Substance and hyperlocal ROI. Web Substance is a digital agency that's been helping clients with comprehensive digital marketing campaigns for years. With that experience, we know quite a bit about how to craft the right hyperlocal PPC campaign and track it with metrics like CDC and bounce rates to see what's effective for a given marketing strategy. Let us help you to fine-tune a new hyperlocal approach with PPC and good SEO results. Get powered by a consultant with real, credible knowledge of how this type of marketing works to claim your market share and compete in Business 3.0.